When a person starts spinning around their axis, accordingly, their head starts to spin. It's a natural process that hardly surprises anyone. But what if, for example, it's not us spinning, but everything that we see is spinning around us? Well, like approximately like this. I think you understand what I'm talking about, right? Naturally, if I were to rotate around the camera, hardly anything would change. But what would happen if, for instance, an ordinary room were to start spinning around you? Let's try it with an ordinary box. You know, honestly, my head actually spins a lot less than when I start spinning around my axis. But the effect is still quite similar, and let's consider that this is a small box that rotated quite slowly. Today, we're going to try to create practically a full-fledged room that will spin much faster than the box. And with it, we'll conduct 4 experiments. The structure that will rotate the person is already prepared, so now let's try and test it. This is cool. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Maybe it seems from the outside that it's spinning very slowly, but I'm experiencing a wild disorientation. Who else wants to try? Come on.
Stop!
Oh my goodness! It started to push my cheeks into my eyes.
Seriously, it almost tore my head off.
Okay, we've had our fun, and now let's actually attach the room here.
I was waiting through months in pain. The one day she texted me at 12 a.m. I knew that she had me, and I started to see that I've been hooked up by you.
Actually, the experiment will be very interesting. I get really car sick. I don't know how my body will react to this.
Max, what are you doing there? Filming?
Not yet.
Then let's start the room.
First, let's test the first experiment. We'll try to spin the room around me. Let's see how I react to this. Are you ready?
Affirmative!
Let's go!
Let's go and start it. Artyom, you're gonna be amazed.
Thanks, Andre, for the support. Finally, an experiment I can participate with a broken leg. Maybe I'll regret this now, but for now, it's cool.
Let's go!
Well, I'm inside. Start the thing!
Oh my gosh! This is a very strange feeling. Why does it feel like I'm spinning and not the room?
My head immediately started spinning, just like that.
One part of my brain understands that I'm not spinning, and the other doesn't.
Darn, it feels like I'm the one spinning. I'm already feeling dizzy.
What? Now, if I didn't know that the room was spinning right now, I would absolutely say that someone was spinning me. I don't know. This is a really cool feeling.
Oh, wow, this is insane.
My chair is completely still right now, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, damn. This is so cool.
After watching all of these segments, be sure to comment on which experiment you like the most. The one where we spun the room, the one where we'll spin a person, the one where we'll spin everything at the same time in one direction and separately. Make sure to write that in the comments. Oh shoot, my head is starting to spin hard. Although when I'm in a car or any public transport, wherever, I never get motion sickness, but now I'm really starting to feel it. Oh. Even when I just look at the picture of Andre spinning, my head starts to spin.
Guys, let's stop. Something really feels bad right now. I'm not really feeling nauseous.
Strangely, I'm not feeling nauseous.
Honestly, these are some of the strangest sensations I've ever had.
I swear to you, I felt like I was the one being spun. I didn't believe it was at first.
So it turns out we're just tricking our brain.
But after a while, I got used to this movement and I didn't lose my sense of space. It was fine.
But before I get into the box for the second stage, I want to ask you once again to subscribe to the channel. Because after all, we put a lot of effort into this and we only do it for the subscriptions. Because I dream of having 10 million subscribers, and it's really important to me. Just subscribe by clicking on that red button below the video. Well, while you do that, I'll get into the box. I think it's going to be more intense now because I'm the one spinning. So now I'm really gonna feel it. And that's why I'm gonna hold on tightly with one hand because the other one has the camera. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Start going gradually.
It'll be gradual right now.
Let's go!
Yeah, holding on. I'm ready, basically. Just be really careful.
I'm feeling really, really scared.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Ah! Come on, faster! Ah! Stop! Stop! This is insane! I nearly got flattened just all around. Really bad, seriously.
Well, apparently I'm too fat for this test.
Ah! Stop! Ah!
Oh my god! I completely just stopped processing anything. I feel like I'm being led around somewhere, and I'm completely stopped perceiving what's around me. And yeah, I broke the floor.
They spun me stronger than everyone. Went totally wild. My throat's sore from screaming. Listen, they really spin him hard. Really, really hard.
The second stage is over. All the participants have spun in this amazing room. How do you feel, you guys? Everybody loved it, and me too. I even flew out of the room. Well, now we move on to the third stage when the room and the platform spin simultaneously in one direction.
Well, I'll refuse to participate in the following stages. Not because I'm scared, but firstly, I'm fat and it's hard for the guys to spin me. And secondly, have 2 long legs. I break the furniture with my knees.
Okay, on the count of 3, we'll start. I won't look down, but please don't do it very fast and especially abruptly. No, it starts slowly, but my head is spinning.
Actually, a very strange feeling. Really very strange. You know, it feels like I'm on a ship, and the ship is rocking a bit on the waves. Yeah, just like that. Spin me faster. Oh, darn, my head still spins. Well, that's even worse.
5 minutes, all good. But my head is spinning and I feel like I'm being carried somewhere. Did I stop or what?
Whoa! Whoa! Feels like I'm flying away! Ah!
Perfect. I didn't understand anything. I knew everything was spinning at the same time, but there was still this strange sensation. I didn't understand what was going on. It felt like the walls were moving, but I wasn't.
Well, my head spins. Not as much as before, but it spins. Everything was fine until I fell down. I don't know. I was just sitting there being rocked. Suddenly, as if someone grabbed me by the shoulders and jerked me, and I fell off.
I'm not dizzy at all, but you feel like you're being jostled from side to side because you're being spun. Well, you don't realize that because the world around you doesn't change. Everything's great. In short, this is the most harmless stage of all we've had and will have. There will be another one, but it's gonna be crazy.
As my coach used to say, the main thing is not to mess up.
The room and the platform will rotate in different directions. What a person will feel, I don't know. But right now, I'll find out. Here we go. I don't know.
Max is screwed. I'll show you what hard means.
No hard plays. By the way, since they're not spinning me just yet, I want to ask you, let's try to have more comments under this video than likes. I wonder if that's even possible or not, but let's try. Oh, this is gonna be insane. The room is spinning again, and it feels like I'm spinning. Oh, this is insane! Stop it! Oh, that's so intense.
Whoa, door! Stop! Stop! Did you? Are you kidding me? My head almost came off. My cheeks are so stretched, I thought they'd tear it up seriously. And now, Ooh! Woo!
Honestly, I was sure I'd fly off the chair, but maybe I wasn't even spinning that hard because the room spins simultaneously. It creates the sensation that everything is spinning incredibly fast.
When the room spins, I'm already used to it. Yeah, it's fun, it's cool. But as soon as I started spinning, I felt this incredible acceleration that Maxine gave me. Quite a sensation, really.
And you, most importantly, you didn't even shout
couldn't-
stop.
I even forgot the word stop. Oh, darn! Ah! I'm holding on thinking, when is the end already? Just like that.
And you know, it's interesting, with each spin before this, something incomprehensible happened. Something made you dizzy, and so it felt nauseating. But now I understood that everything was spinning wildly for me, and so I was just having fun.
This room has been through a lot already, and now I want to test its durability. So guys will pull with all their might, spin me like I don't know who, and I think I need a helmet for this. Let's go. Oh, guys.
This is going to be very intense. We're going to pull like we haven't pulled before today. Vanya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah, so scary, David.
Alex!
Get me out of here! Pull me out!
Come on!
These are my underpants?
Alex!
I don't understand what happened and how I was pulled back, basically. How did I tip back, huh? A really cool feeling.
So, that's the experiment we had for today. I hope that you really liked it, and in any case, we really tried hard. I think it was really interesting, and if it was, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and definitely leave a comment. It's very important. You can suggest ideas for the next video in the comments, and I will definitely read your comments under the video. So, go ahead. Good luck, everyone, and bye!